I'll give you an example. The Nefesh HaChaim, our superficial thinking is, if we look in the Nefesh HaChaim, the Rav Chaim Volozhiner, right in the beginning of his book, Shar Aleph, Perek Dalet, he says, one of the biggest, we just fasted on Tisha B'Av like a month ago, and one of the terrible things happened during the destruction is that Titus, that terrible Jewish, that Gentile butcher, he took the Torah from the Holy Ark in Jerusalem in the temple, and he slept with a prostitute on it. Rav Chaim Volozhiner says, when you think inappropriate thoughts, the greatest temple is your heart and soul. And when a Jewish man, God forbid, contaminates his mind and thinks and first looks at inappropriate things, that's much more worse and catastrophic in the spiritual worlds. That's the insight of the Chachamim. The Chachamim know the gravity of sin.